To connect Huawei Watch Fit 5 Pro into the Komoot app, you have to go for Health application and go for Me in the right bottom corner. Next, go for the Privacy Management, and you have to select this Data Sharing and Authorization. Now you can find it here, then click on the link. Click Open, you will be redirected into your browser. And as you can see here, you have to use the same account that you are using for your Watch Fit 5 Pro. So in my case, that's the Google account. I have to select my Google account just over here. I have to grant all of those permissions. And after a few seconds, I have to grant access for the Huawei Health app to be synchronized with Komoot. I have to click to grant access. Now just wait for it. And as you can see, right now, it's successfully connected. And of course, right now on our phone, we have to open that Komoot application on the same account. And that's pretty much it. Thank you so much for watching.